Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. In this video, you will learn how many SIM card slots are available in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let us check. Go to the bottom side of your phone and eject SIM tray. Okay, here in this hole you go to insert SIM ejector tool. This is SIM ejector tool. Just insert here and SIM tray will be coming out from your phone. Just take it out from your phone and see the SIM card slot there. Here two SIM card slots are available. Okay, in the front side one slot is available. This is front side slot. In the back side you have another slot. Okay, I have inserted another SIM as well. Okay, yes, two SIM slots are available in your phone. Okay, in this way you can easily check how many SIM card slots are available in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 5G Ultra 5G. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.